We say the mantra Ganapattadi Devuttavahoi Namaho. We say the mantra. When we home yajna and Havan stall and we take Havan mantra, Havan jantra, or we make the Havan stall. We take Batasa, food or a part and throw to the Havan stall, to the Yoggus, to the burning Yoggu. And say, Ganapattadi Devatabhoi Namaho. Ganapati is Siddhidata Ganesh. It is duty to stand under this Siddhidata. He gives you Siddhi. When if we discuss the story, we know the story. Once upon a time, Ganesh was the son of Gauri. That is Devi Parvati. Parvati Nandana Ganesh. Parvati Nandana Ganesh. We know Parvati Nandana Ganesh. Siddhi Vinayak Ganesh. Siddhidata Ganesh. We know that thing. Once upon a time that Parvati went to bed. By that time he calls her son Ganesh, oh Ganesh, stay more the door, stay here, I go to bed. Anyone cannot enter into that. Stay here, stay here, stay here. If anyone want to enter this, you do not agree that. You do not agree that because I am bathing. For this reason, that Ganesh was stand to the door and Parvati went to bed. Next.